Rinse mga idol, top 13 lang tayo muna mga idol. Number 1, Thunder, 28 wins, 5 losses. Sinunda ng Grizzlies. Rockets, Nuggets. Number 5, Mavericks. Number 6, Lakers. Number 7, Clippers. Number 8, Timberwolves. 9, Spurs. Number 10, Warriors. Number 11, Suns. 12, Kings. Number 13, Blazers. Samantala sa Eastern Conference, nagngunguna pa rin ang Cavaliers, 29 wins, 4 losses. Sinunda ng Celtics, 25 wins, 9 losses. Number 3, Knicks. Number 4, Magic. 5, Bucks. Number 6, Heat. Number 7, Hawks. Number 8, Pacers, Pistons, Bulls. Number 11, 76ers. 12, Nets. At number 13, Raptors.